What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the photos disappearing issue in Xiaomi phone. So to fix this issue, first of all tap and hold on the gallery app and then tap on this information icon. Now go to its storage and clear the cache memory. So to clear the cache memory, tap on clear cache and then tap on OK to confirm. And after clearing the cache memory, the photos disappearing issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue while finding the missing photos, then you can check hidden files. So to check that, open File Manager, tap on this three dot more option. Go to the storage tab and then tap on this three dot more option and then tap on settings. Now here you will see a show hidden files button. So tap on this button to turn it on, and after turning on this button you will be able to view the hidden files in your phone. But after turning on this button, if you still can't find some photos, then the last solution is check your recycle bin. So to check that, open gallery. Now go to the albums tab and then scroll down and tap on deleted items. Now here you will find all your deleted items that you have accidentally deleted. So if you want to restore any of your picture, then just simply tap and hold on the picture, and after selecting the picture, tap on restore. So that's how you can find the disappeared photos in Xiaomi phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.